Hi friends, we're on Module 5, Lesson 2, and what we're going to do today is we're going to be adding numbers using the hundreds and 200s and 300s. You're going to need your dry erase board, your marker, and your sock. On the side that has the place value chart, I want you to draw 125 discs. All right, let's see this in unit form. 100, 2 tens, and 5 discs. And it should look like this. And I'm sure you have it because we've been doing this for so long. I want you to look at my hide zero cards up here. This is 325. How can we say this in uniform? 300, 2 tens, and 5 ones. What are we going to do to show 325? What do I have to do? I want you to fix your board so it looks like 325. Did you add 200s? Do you now have 300s here? Yeah. All you did was you changed the hundreds place. The tens place and the ones place didn't change at all. Let's look at this problem down here. This says 325 plus 200. What does that mean? Well, we have to add 2 more hundreds. I want you to take your dry erase marker and do that. Just add 2 more hundreds. So what do we get now? Yeah, 525. The only thing that changed was the hundreds place. And I want you to look at the hundreds place, okay? We have a 3 and a 2. If you add 300 and 200, you're going to get 500. So our answer is 525. Let's erase that. If I asked you to add 300s to 450, how could you solve that? There's a few ways. First thing, what I always like to do is I like to draw or write the problem. So the problem says to add 300 to 450. All right, so there are 2 different strategies that we can use to solve this. Now, I know a lot of you can do this in your head. You can do it mentally. But I want to talk about the different strategies just in case you ever get stuck. So the first thing you can do is a number bound. So you can break up your 450 to 450, okay? And then you know what to do, right? Yep, you circle 300 plus 400. And 300 plus 400 is what? 700, right? And then what do we have to do after we get that 700? We have to add in, yep, our 50. So we never can forget that one that we don't circle. So we have 750 plus 50. And our answer is 750. Okay, that's the number bound way. We could also do it the arrow way. Now, the arrow way, you can start any way you want. You can start with 300 and add 450 and get the answer, okay? So I'm going to just draw a line down here for a second. So we could start with 300, all right, and I'm going to draw my arrow, and I could break up that 400 into 4 separate hundreds, or I could just do 400 altogether. This is an easy one, so I'm going to do 400 altogether. So 300 plus 400 is 700. And then we have that 700 plus the 50, which equals 750. Okay, I think you guys are really ready for this next challenge. I want you to erase your boards if you've been following along. And I want you to solve these 3 problems any way you want. And then when you're done come back. So we're going to pause the video, solve the problems, and come back when you're ready. All right, the first one, 147 plus 200. Remember, any way you did it, doesn't matter if you did it the arrow way, doesn't matter if you did it the number bound way, or if you just did it in your head. 200 is what we're adding. So if in my head I can think of a place value chart, 147, I know I'm going to add 2 more discs to that 100 place. And when I add 2 more, I'm going to get 1 disc from 147 and 2 extra discs. That's going to equal 300. And my tens place and my ones place don't change. So that's 47. So my first one is 347. Okay, so now I have 276 plus 300. Again, it's zeros over here, so I am not going to be adding anything here. Just to my 276. And in my head, I can think 276 place value, add 3 more discs. 2 plus 3 is 5. So my answer, 576. My next one, 400 plus 515, 16. So again, this part, my ones and tens aren't going to change. I can say I have 400 in my place value disc chart. Then I have to add 500. What do I get when I do that? I get 9. And then 16. So my answer is 916. All right, let's erase your board. And let's look at this one. So how many do you see here? Well, I have 7, 2, and 5. So 700, 2 tens, 5 ones. It's 725. All right, let's keep that in our head. In fact, let's write that on our board just to make sure we remember. Now how many do you see? Well, I have 525. 500, 2 tens, 5 ones. How did my number change? What did I do? I got rid of something. My tens and my ones stay the same. Oh, my hundreds. It got smaller. How many did I have to take away? Yeah, I took 2 hundredths away. I'm going to subtract 2 more hundredths. So I have 525, and I want to take away 200. Okay, so what do? Just take them away. Just like that. 5, I had 5 hundredths. I'm taking 2 of them away. What do I have left? 325. It really helps if you visualize your place value chart. For some people, it's easier than others. Some people have to use the number bonds or the arrow way, and that's okay too. But if you want to do it in your head, this is the easiest way to do it. All right, it's your turn. All right, you're going to work this out on your board, and you can do it any way you want. And when you're ready, come back. Okay, 582 minus 300. Did you use the arrow way? Did you use counting on? Did you use number bonds? Did you just do it in your head? Well, if we have 582, that's having 5 hundredths in our place value disc. And we take away 3. 5 take away 3 is, that's right, 2. And my tens and my ones don't change. So my answer is 282. Now, I could show this with either, I'm going to show you 2 different ways you can do it with an arrow way. So we have 582 would be first, and our goal is to get to whatever it takes to take away 300. Now, it could be you want to take 300 away at the same time, or it might be easier to break it up into 3 separate hundredths. So we might have minus 100. And what does that equal? Yep, 482. And I still have to take more hundredths. And then I'm going to take another 100 away. And what does that equal? Yep, 382. Then I have to take another one away. And what does that equal? There we go, we got our answer. Now, how do you know when to stop? That's always the big question. Well, I'm going to tell you. You look up here at what you're taking away. This says subtract, right? So you have to take away 300s. There's 100, 200, 300. When you have your 300s on top, that's when you know you're done. Now, the other way you can do it, sometimes addition is easier for people. You can easily write 300, starting with the lower number, and adding until you get to 582. So it would be 300 plus 100, which would be 400, plus another 100, because we want to get to 582, which would be what? That's right, 500. Sorry, this is so messy. It's so hard to write on this thing. All right, but we're not there yet. We still have to do what? Yeah, we have to do our 82 plus 82. And now, oops, that looks nothing like 82. You're going to get 582. Okay? And again, you just add it up. 100, 200, and 82. All right, you're going to try some on your own. Pause the video and come back when you're ready. All right, so I have 620 minus 400. So I'm going to think in my head, my place value chart. If I have 600s and I take away 4, what do I have left? 200s. And my 10s and 1s don't change, so my answer is 220, regardless of how you solved it. 797, 7 minus the 3 equals 497. All right, so you're going to use some mental math, or you can use the arrow way, whatever you want, to solve these problems. Remember, 200s and 4 10s plus 300s. So they're trying to trick you by making it a little complicated, but it really isn't. 200s plus 400s is 500s, and 4 10s would be 540. And then there it is written out for you. 240 plus 300. All right. Over here, on the next one, you're going to be doing some subtraction. Again, you could do it any way that you want. And here, you're going to be filling in some blanks, okay? 200 more than 389. If you have to draw your place value chart, do it. And draw 389 and add that 200 to get your answer. 300 more than something is 568. So if you have to, draw your place value chart. 400 less than 867 is what? And blank less than 962 is 262. So just a really quick one I want to talk about is this one. 300 more than something is 568, okay? So you're going to actually do the opposite. You would have 568 and figure out what you had to add to that to get to that. Okay, so it's 300 plus something equals this. This is your hint. 300 plus something equals 568. Okay, so you could use the arrow way, whatever you want, to figure out what that something is. All right, I'll see you at group.